Hey guys, my name is Ben from Hilltop Packs, and today I'm going to show you a new product that we came up with called the Dual Pocket Gadget Bag. I'm going to show you a couple different ways you can use these new bags. Okay guys, so today what I want to show you is the newest product we have here at Hilltop Packs. This is the Dual Pocket Gadget Bag. Now this could be used for a toiletry bag or a electronics bag, or maybe just like a med kit. And I'll kind of show you a couple different ways that I use it. But first let me show you a couple of different features. It is a roll top, and the seams are taped, so it just gets pretty much weather sealed as much as possible. And the big feature about the thing is it is a dual pocket design, so we can actually separate two different types of items that you're going to be carrying on one of your trips. So, I love backpacks that have a big open design. I like roll top bags. I like stuff sacks because it's nice and big open. You just cram everything in there. But the one thing you're lacking is a little bit of organization. So what's nice about these bags here is it is separated by a thin divider between the two, and you can separate the two different items. And I'll show you more about that in a little bit. But we can also customize these things by putting prints. We have a bunch of patterns already on our website that you can choose from. Like this skull pattern seems to be one of our more popular items on different products that we make. Also, of course, the jelly bean print is pretty popular that we do, and you can select this as well. Or you can even send us your own artwork and put your own logo on the item here. And maybe if you have maybe a dog, maybe a wife, a loved one, we can do that. Another dog here. Dogs seem to be pretty popular this year, so we can put a lot of animals on the bags. These are my kids right here. I'm not going to tell you which one my favorite is. My three kids there. On the and you can select this on the website too. You can pick out the option to upload your own photo, and we can work with that. But pretty much any of our products, we can put your own photo or your own logo on there, or just pick one of our patterns. Here is a hiker. This is Devin. He has a YouTube channel. This is one of his pictures. I believe it's him. At least that's what he sent me. So I'm going to assume that's him, not some stranger, but great picture. And we print on one side, and the other side is actually see-through. So whatever you put on that layer there, you can actually see through it. So I'll show you a couple of options the way I use it. So let's just take this gadget bag, for instance. So this is my personal bag here. I put like some battery levels on the outside just to kind of show that this is like an electronics bag. I can easily see it. So on one side, I have my cables. On the other side, I have some electronics. So if I need to grab the cables, they're on this side here. If I need to grab my batteries and stuff, they're on this side over here. So on the inside of this side, I have my little pump. By the way, if you don't have a little pump and you're still blowing up your air mattress, man, you're missing out. This little thing is awesome. I don't sell it, but you can get it on Amazon or any other place. But man, no longer do I have to blow up my air mattress at night when I get to camp. So let's put that aside. On the same side of the batteries, I also have my battery bank. So I can pull that out. I believe my headlamp's probably in here. Got the headlamp on that side. Again, all organized by which side I put it on, so I know where it's at. I also have just a small knife. This is where I keep my small knife. I don't really use a knife a whole lot when I'm out backpacking, but I keep it on that side. And then just a couple of batteries for that little pump. Although I've been using it for a year and the battery still hasn't died yet. So I'm not sure why I carry extra batteries. And that's all on that side over there. So the cables, I do have a couple different cables. I have GPS that I like to carry, a satellite device and a couple of things I need to charge. And I actually carry double cables for my phone. I have two different cables for my phone. That's why it seems like I have so many cables in here. But it's just nice organizing it instead of having to dig through everything. Your headlamp and your cables will get mixed up, or whatever things you're going to put all in one bag. So by separating them, it makes life a lot easier. So that is the gadget bag, the way I have mine set up for my electronics. Let's put all that aside. Let's look at my little, I want to call this my med kit slash personal kit here. So a hygiene kit. So instead of having two separate bags, I have everything in one bag. I have one side separated with my toiletry stuff, hand sanitizers on one side. Let's go ahead and pull that out. So I got probably more stuff in here than I need right now. Body Glide, that comes in handy sometimes. Of course, the TP's on that side. Stuff you can easily grab and keep it separated from everything else. And the hand sanitizer is right here. So that's on the one side. I keep all my toiletries on one side, and then my med kit stuff on the other side. And I just keep some pills. I'm not sure what that is. Got my little toothbrushes on this side. I have this little small tiny little mirror. I have my sunscreen, and then of course my med kit. I just keep a small little kit, a little sewing kit there. Keep some extra matches in there, just a couple of band-aids, some medicine, anything you need for a typical small little lightweight med kit. I keep all that on one side. And sometimes I keep a knife in here, a little thing of toothpaste. So I don't really carry two different knives. I'll keep one. I haven't quite decided which one I'm going to keep it in, but there's that. So there is the med kit slash personal hygiene kit all in one bag. So that's how I set up my bags. Now you could also have a toiletry bag with a little toilet paper thing on there. We'll have that pattern on the website as well. It's big enough to put maybe your trowel on one side and your TP and hand sanitizer on the other. Not really sure what you could do with that, but just some different options. But again, you can print, we can print anything you want on your bag. So if you love your kids, like this guy, you can put that on your bag. If you love your dog more than your kids, you can just put your dog on there. And of course we can do white. We also do gray and black. If you just want to do simple colors, we could do that as well. So it's live on the website. Check it out at hilltoppacks.com and look under, I believe it's under the dry bag section, and it will be the dual pocket gadget bag. My new favorite little piece of gear. Thanks for watching.